viewers, is the power of a simple click. The power to enlighten, to empower, and to save lives. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button now. Now let's delve into the world of tiny creatures with a deadly punch. Mosquitoes. These seemingly insignificant insects carry a deadly secret. They're vectors for two of the world's most devastating diseases, malaria and dengue. But how does this happen? Let's simplify it. Mosquitoes are like tiny, uninvited vampires. When they bite, they suck our blood, but they also inject their saliva. This saliva can contain the parasites that cause malaria or the virus that causes dengue. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasites, which are transmitted to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. Once in the bloodstream, the parasites travel to the liver, where they multiply before bursting back into the bloodstream, causing symptoms like fever, headache, and vomiting. On the other hand, dengue is a viral disease, and it's transmitted by female mosquitoes, mainly of the species Aedes aegypti. Dengue can evolve into severe dengue, a leading cause of serious illness and death among children in some Asian and Latin American countries. These diseases are not just confined to tropical regions, they have a global footprint. According to the World Health Organization, nearly half of the world's population is at risk of malaria. In 2023 alone, there were an estimated 209 million cases of malaria worldwide, leading to 411,000 deaths. Similarly, dengue fever is rampant, with an estimated 100 million cases annually, causing approximately 20,000 deaths. These numbers are staggering, and behind each statistic is a person, a family, a community disrupted. And the most heartbreaking part, both malaria and dengue are preventable. With the right knowledge, precautions, and interventions, we can reduce and even eliminate the threat these diseases pose. That's the grim reality of these invisible killers, but there's hope, and it starts with knowledge. The battle lines have been drawn, and it's time for us to take action. Our fight is against an enemy far smaller than us, but one that poses a significant threat nonetheless, the mosquito. These tiny creatures are responsible for spreading diseases like malaria and dengue. But we're not defenseless against them. Let's talk about our strategy for victory. A crucial part of this plan is maintaining clean surroundings. Stagnant water serves as a breeding ground for mosquitoes, so by regularly cleaning our homes and communities, we can prevent these harmful pests from multiplying. Next in our arsenal is the use of repellents. These come in various forms, from sprays to creams and even electronic devices. When used correctly, repellents can provide a protective shield, making us less attractive to mosquitoes. Now, let's not forget about protective clothing. Wearing long-sleeved shirts and trousers, especially during peak mosquito activity hours, can significantly reduce the risk of bites. While these preventative measures are effective, they're not foolproof. This is where vaccines come into play. Vaccines work by training our bodies to recognize and fight off these diseases, reducing the risk of severe illness. It's important to remember that while vaccines are a powerful tool, they're not a standalone solution. They work best when combined with other preventative measures. So always consult with a healthcare professional to understand the best course of action for you. The fight against mosquitoes is a collective effort. It's not just about protecting ourselves, but also our loved ones and our communities. By sharing this knowledge and encouraging others to take preventative measures, we can create a ripple effect that can save countless lives. We're not just fighting mosquitoes, we're fighting for a future where malaria and dengue are a thing of the past. A future where our children can play outside without fear. A future where every sunset doesn't bring with it the threat of disease. This war is not going to be easy, but nothing worth fighting for ever is. We have the knowledge, we have the tools, and most importantly, we have each other. Together, armed with the right knowledge and tools, we can win this war against mosquitoes. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. Mosquitoes are more than just pesky insects. They're carriers of deadly diseases like malaria and dengue fever. These diseases claim countless lives each year, But with knowledge and prevention, we can save lives. We've discussed the importance of understanding these diseases and how we can protect ourselves. Remember, knowledge is our best weapon in this fight. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving information.